What is the biggest hurdle that you face when you try to eat clean? I'm sure the answer is craving. Craving is not your enemy. Actually, it's a message that your body is trying to communicate with you. And today, we are going to listen to this message. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here, speaking from my clinic called Saukhyam. The mission of Saukhyam is well-being of all. So, craving comes and goes, but are we aware that it is trying to communicate with you a deeper meaning of your life? So, sometimes you are craving your favorite food, sometimes the craving is coming because of your stress, sometimes the craving is coming because of a habit. I mean, it's 4 o'clock and I always eat at 4 o'clock, so I'm hungry. Let's understand craving today in a very deeper way. Craving is not about that you are weak and you cannot control your desires of food. Craving is something which tells that sometimes your body is asking for your favorite food, sometimes your mind is tired, struggling and surviving, sometimes your heart is asking for a comfort. If you understand craving, then it loses power on you. You don't have to control it. You are aware why are you craving whatever you are craving. So, if you have to break down, you need to understand emotional eating. Whenever you are going and asking for your favorite snack and you decided to eat clean, ask yourself, am I hungry in my body or am I hungry in my emotion? When you ask that question itself will make you aware of certain facts and emotion that you're struggling right now. It can be an exhaustion, it can be a tiredness, it can be overwhelming emotion, or it can be a sadness. When you sit there and deal with it effectively, that's when the food loses control over you. You need to ask yourself, what am I actually needing right now? Is it food, or I'm just trying to take charge of my emotion by feeding sugar and a pleasure food that makes me feel good, and hence I am camouflaging my real emotion with the feel good factor of food. The sugar gives you a feeling, a pleasure, and that's just, you're actually not suppressing your hunger, but you're actually suppressing your emotion by eating food and trying to trick your body by giving pleasure from outside. So, next time when you're trying to grab that snack, do ask this question to yourself. Also, try to eat mindfully. Whenever you're eating, be off your phone, sit quietly, eat your food slowly, chew properly, because then your body gets a signal that it is safe and you're nourishing it effectively. Craving is more about not self-discipline, but getting aware of your body in every moment and how you are making yourself safe, not by giving pleasure food, but getting aware of your own self. Also, blood sugar is a important factor. So falling down of blood sugar can get you high cravings. So skipping a meal or eating carbs or snacking a lot can drop your blood sugar, and that drops the dopamine and makes your body crave and get hungry. Hence, it's very important that you don't eat carb. You balance your plate. You eat fiber, you eat protein, you eat healthy fats. The balance in the plate will get balance in your life. And hence, you will be able to see that if you don't eat too much sugar, too much carbs, and you eat all this in balanced form, you will give nutrition to your body, and when the nutrition of your body is complete, you will not have that much craving at all. You don't have to suppress craving, you just have to understand it. You only have to balance it. Less amount of sleep, stress can also have lots of craving. So you will see that a lot of binging is usually at night. That's because when you don't sleep well, the hunger hormone, ghrelin, increases and satiety hormone, leptin, decreases. Hence, it's very important that you sleep well and you manage your stress effectively, but by actually dealing with your emotion in effective and healthy way. That's where the power lies, that's where your control lies, and that's where you can take charge of your life. The truth is, you don't have to win a battle with your hunger. You just have to understand yourself to win over any battle of your life, whether it is hunger or any other battle. You don't have to fight, you just have to understand. Balance and understanding with awareness can make you not feel so hungry, and the cravings will disappear automatically. 10-minute pause before you go and grab that favorite food of yours will let you know that am I hungry actually or am I emotionally eating. Drink water, don't panic, walk a bit, breathe deeply, and that's when your brain will get a signal that I'm okay, I'm fine, I don't need to panic, this phase will pass. And here lies the power of your body, of your mind, of your heart. And you will see that how beautifully the body communicates the message through craving that I am feeling not great. Can you sit with me and can we have that talk which can make me feel safe? Isn't it a beautiful way? If you just listen without judgment to our own self, how beautifully it communicates. And if you fail, sometimes you slip on, sometimes you just want to feel good. Forget about all this and I really want to feel good. Sometimes you slip on when you're trying to be in this journey. Forgive yourself. That compassion to your own self will stop all this. See, eating your favorite food is not a problem. It's not a punishment that we are trying to give to ourselves. What is a problem is it is out of your control. You are enslaved to your food habits. You need to take charge. It has to be in your charge, and it has to come from real craving of your self or soul, not because you're dealing with some emotion you're not able to take charge of it. Deal with it effectively. You have full support which you can take, and you can heal. Healing does not require healing through food. It requires you to heal within, and that can happen without food too. So, hope this video has added some value in your life, and you will be able to win not by fighting with yourself, but creating balance, compassion, and awareness within. Thank you for watching this video. Do comment and do let me know today, what did you try to take charge in your life in the form of food today. Thank you. See you soon.